Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to Engineering Adda. So in this video, we are going to discuss some of the basic queries or the commands of the MongoDB. How we can create a MongoDB collection, how we can insert some record into the collection, how we can find it out, how we can update the records, and how we can delete it. So everything we are going to cover in this video. So let's get started for that. So let me go to the Studio 3D. I am using Studio 3D as a IDE for the MongoDB. If you don't know how you can use Studio 3D with the MongoDB or how you can make your MongoDB server locally up and then connect your Studio 3D with the MongoDB server, then there is a video on my channel. You can come here and watch it out. If you'll search for the MongoDB and Studio 3D, you will find it out. It is a very good video. This is the one. You can search it on my channel and you will find it out. Here I showed you how you can connect your Studio 3D, which is nothing but it is a IDE to connect with the MongoDB and run some command over the MongoDB. So it makes our life easier. So you can use Studio 3D. I'm going to use it in this video and connect Studio 3D with the MongoDB. Okay. So here you can see my MongoDB server is up or locally and I connected this MongoDB server with the Studio 3.3 locally. Okay, I already have couple of databases here, but I will try to show you everything from the scratch. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can come and then you can right click on this connection. Okay, and then you will find the option to add database. You can come here and add it. Let's say I'm going to add a database, sample database, something like that. Okay, and you will find this database is created here in our connections. So you can come here inside the database and you can see there is a folder already, which is collection, system, views. Okay. So I'm going to create one collection here. Okay. If you want to create collection manually, you can also come here to this folder, right click on it, and you can see this option of add collection. From here also you can create it. If you want to create by command, you can open a IntelliShell here to run the MongoDB command. Okay. So let me try to create the collection here. So db.create collection, and then you need to pass the collection name. Let's say I'm going to create the collection as a product, something like that. Okay. Then you need to run this query and you can see the status is okay. Now let me come to this folder and refresh this. You can see there is one item inside it. You can see this product is there, but we don't have anything inside the product collection. So let me try to open, already have opened the IntelliShell, right? So let me try to open again a new IntelliShell on the collection called product. So it will automatically create one query for you, which is a find query. So let me try to run this. Okay, so here you can find nothing is there inside this collection. Now this is the find query, which you can also say a read query. What I will do, I will try to insert couple of records in this collection. Okay, so let's say this is a product collection. We are going to create the record inside this collection. Okay, so for that we have the query called db.getCollection. Let's say the collection name is products, and we need to go for the insert. So either you can use insert many, insert one, or insert. So I'm going to use the insert one as of now. Okay, or you can directly use insert. So let me try to go for the insert. Insert one and insert many are to as the name suggests, insert one is to insert one document at a time inside the collection, and insert many is to insert many document at a time in the collection. What is document? A document is nothing but it is a JSON file with the key value pairs. Okay, so let's say this is the product collection and I'm going to insert one record into this or one document into this. So I'm just going to create the document here. Okay, so let's say we have attributes like ID and name. Let's say name is mobile and let's say price, which is 20. Okay, and then you need to run this command. Okay, there is a syntax error. Okay, so it should be colon. Let me try to run this. And you can see one field is inserted there. Now to find out what is there inside your collection, there is already this query is given to you. If you are not aware about it, you can come here, go for the db.getCollection, provide your collection name, and then you need to run the query find. Okay, and now you can just run it. You can see we have one document inside our collection, which is having the ID as one, name of the product is mobile, and the price is 20. Okay, so this is how you can find out some record from the collection and insert some record into the collection. Now, what is the next? Let's say we are going to find out a particular record from the collection. How we can find out? With the select clause. Okay, so sorry, with the where clause. So we'll do this in the coming few minutes. Let me try to insert couple of more records in our collection. Okay, so let me try to copy this whole command, or what you can do, you can come here and provide more documents here. So let's say this time the ID is 2. Okay, why it is giving some error? Let me try to copy this whole thing and let me try to paste it here and then close it. So let's say as of now we have only one document or one record. What we are going to do, we are going to insert couple of more. Okay, so let's say the ID is 2 and name is laptop in this case, and the price is, let's say, 100. Similarly, let's say we have charger and the price is 20, let it be, and let's say tablet. And let me change the ID for the charger. Let's say it's 3 and the ID for tablet is 4. And let me try to make the price of tablet 240. And then run this command and you can see we have inserted couple of document inside our collection. So let me try to run this command to find out what all the record we have. So you can see we have only two records. So this one is taking the insert one only. Okay, so if you want to insert many documents or many records at one go in the collection, then you need to run the command insert many. So let me try to go for that and then run it and then see. So you can see it is giving some error. This argument document must be an array of the documents. So here we need to enclose this in a array. Okay, and then now you can run this command. So you can see four fields are inserted, and now let me try to run this find command to see what all are there. So now you can see we have 6 records. 2 already there and 4 we have inserted now. Okay, so we have 3 mobiles, one laptop, one charger and one tablet. Now let's say we want to update uh, some records or some documents inside the collection, then how we can do that? So there is a command called update. There is a two version of update, update one and update many. Both of them you can use it. So let's say db.get collection and the collection name is products, and then we want to update. Okay, so here you can, let's say I'm going for the update one now, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to update only one document inside the collection, which should be updated based upon some condition. Okay, so let's say I'm providing the condition as id would be 1 and what value you are going to update. So that thing also you need to provide. So let's say I need to provide set. Okay, so we need to provide the condition here first of all. So let me try to put this condition into this. So it is id and id is 1, and then we are setting up the value of that particular record or particular document. So we are filtering out the particular document based upon the ID, and then we are setting up or updating the particular field of that document. So let's say I'm going to change the name of the ID one to let's say car. Okay, so name it is car. Okay, now let me try to run this command. Okay, so you can see one matched, and then out of three records it might have updated only one. Earlier we were having three mobiles, three records or three documents with the id 1, but now one of them, one of like one out of three would be changed with the name as car. Now let me try to run the command find and see. So here you can see earlier we were having three mobiles, now we have only two mobiles, one mobile is updated to car. Similarly, if you want to update all of them, then you can use this update many query. Okay, so let me try to run this and then show you. So you can see three matched, two modified. So now let me try to run the find again, and so you can see all are updated. Similarly, you can go for the delete as well. So let me try to run the delete command, db.get collection, and the collection name is products, and then you can delete couple of documents from the collection. So let's say you want to delete one, you need to provide the ID of that, or sorry, you need to provide one condition. Based upon that condition, it will filter out that particular document and then delete it. Okay, so let's say I'm going to provide the condition as ID is, let's say 2, and then run this command. So you can see acknowledge true, deleted one. Now let me try to run the find command. So you can see second product is deleted. Okay, if you want to delete many, let's say I'm going to delete many, and here we are providing the ID as 1. So we have three records or three documents with the ID 1. So it will delete all of them. Let me try to run this. So you can see three deleted. Now let me try to run the find command and then show you. You can see all of them are deleted now. So this is how you can perform some basic operation of the MongoDB using Studio 3T as a IDE. So this is about the video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks. Now let's say we want to find out the particular document from the collection based upon some condition, some where condition. Let's say you want to find out the document with the ID 3 or with the ID 4 or with the name charger or the laptop, something like that you can do. So you can come here to the db.get collection products and then find. Inside the find you need to provide the condition or the filter. So let's say I just want to fetch out the record based upon the ID. So let's say I'm providing the ID here and let's say the ID is 4 and then run this command and you can find we are able to get the document with the ID 4. Similarly, if you want to fetch out on the based upon the name, you can come here and then fetch out based upon the name as well. Let's say tablet. So in this case also we are going to fetch the same document, you can see, right? If you want to fetch out based upon the name, let's say the name is charger and then run it, you can see, right? Similarly, there are multiple condition you can use like and or, so everything you can use. In the coming videos I will try to discuss more of the advanced queries in the MongoDB, like aggregation, uh, pipeline, how we can perform those things, indexing. So those things will cover in the coming videos. So this is about the video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.